As long as we can remember, we love to travel. Skiing, sailing, hiking, mountains and climbing. After I graduated, my boyfriend and I decided to travel across Europe for 2 months on a motorcycle. I went working many hours and started with motorcycle driving lessons. I bought my first motorcycle, a Honda CB 500X, and my boyfriend bought his Suzuki V-Strom. I came up with a route and we are going to drive the A route or the B route. And of course we started collecting all the stuff we needed for the trip. If you are interested, please click the subscribe button and put on your notifications. We will see you in April when the trip starts.